Hey guys, we received this I love IFECCO wireless kids boys headphones for test and try. So they are with the microphone, a cute little light up dinosaur with a children's voice Bluetooth headphone. So this can be used for the school with a really nice looks and the function. So let me just open up this and you can see that this comes in a really nice carry box for the kids with a dinosaur logo on the top and then easy to carry things. So it's good for the kids to carry in their backpack for the school and then keeping everything clear and out. So this have this charging cable, the folding headphones. So you can easily fold and keep it with the really nice dinosaur logos and the light inside. So let me just open up this and show to you. But this have this card, TF card, and then see like a nice light up dinosaur thing here. So nice comfortable cups as well for the kids. So this have a Bluetooth connection as well as this aux connection. So you can use it as a wired headphone or as a Bluetooth wireless headphones. So it's a charging cable that you can use to charge. You can also use a direct SD card to get in your stuff or play the music directly. So very soft, comfortable things, and the button is also on the sides and then on the top here. So let me just connect it with the Bluetooth and see its quality. So this is connected well, and then you will see like it justify that pair a new device, and then you can readily connect it. This have a Bluetooth 5.3 faster and longer range, and also have this wired as I explained. Very comfortable ergonomic design with adjustable headband, soft memory pad, soft and from the side as well, from the top and the back. You can see like it holds up the whole ear and the light up looks really good and cool. So very nice function for the kids with a nice battery life as well as the sound volume. So sound volume is also controlled like based on the kids thing. So that's not harmful for the ears as well. And then the holding thing. So comfortable, nice headphones.